When you work in the surgical world, especially the maxillofacial and the medical dental surgical world, there is no room for error. It has to be perfect. Sculpture Studio started about 12 years ago. We do have the honor of being one of the first digital labs in the world. We do very complex medical maxillofacial surgery. That's where we specialize in diagnostics, surgical aspects, and restorative. We live on the cutting edge here. Printing is 60% of our entire production today. We get printers, we get resins, we get materials, so we're always testing something. Our Asiga very quickly outdid the other printers. I mean, we just noticed it in the precision, in the speed, in what we could do, everything. That's the one that just kept coming out on top. We're doing temporaries, we're doing guides, we're doing dentures, but our biggest thing that we print here, as with all laboratories, is models. We get more precision and more repeatability with the Asiga printers. That's why I have 4 of them. Right now in the laboratory, everything we do is designed on a computer. A material to get it to look like what a tooth looks like. That's not easy. I design the tooth and I put the teeth in the computers and print them with the Asiga printer. So I don't have to teach a technician what a tooth looks like anymore. We love Asiga because it is open source. You still want to be able to try different things. There's so many different resins coming out, and the cool thing about working with Asiga is if I went in my garage and made a new resin, I can send that resin to Asiga and they will make me an optimal printing parameter for it. So even if they don't have one, I just send it to them and they can make me one. So that's really incredible to be able to do that. One of the most exciting things about working with Asiga, it's reliability, precision, efficiency, speed, support. I've got it all in one package and it works perfectly. I am one of the most competitive people in the world, and I've always wanted to have the first, best, and looking at technology, seeing what's going to happen. We're just at the beginning of some incredible things.